Uncle Ronnie, what happened today?
You know, welcome to Toronto City Outdoors. You know how it goes, baby.
You killed it today, though, brother.
Just got him. You know what it is, baby.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Got the day off work today, so I'm out on the lake going for muskie. Fall muskie giants. Let's do this thing. Fish! Fish! Big one! Got him! Woo! Got that one. 10 minutes into casting, guys. This beautiful spot came up and smoked it. Watched her come up really close to me. Probably like 10 feet away from me. Beautiful fish. Awesome, check that out, guys. Woo, really healthy. Not a big one. I didn't get your name, brother.
Jim.
Jim? Yeah. Nice to meet you, Jim.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah.
That's a good videos going.
Thank you, I appreciate you.
You fish a lot down in the West End, right?
Yes, that's where I live.
I mean, you knew everybody down there and you're helping them.
Oh yeah, yeah, thank you.
Women out here.
Yeah, I know, eh? I love seeing women out here muskie fishing, especially. That's why when I see you come out here, I'm so impressed. It's like, God bless you guys.
Just wanted to say, man, I like that lure you got.
Good job.
Look at that spinning back.
Yeah, I know, eh? Beautiful. Lift. Head. Woo! Good job. Good fish. Good job. So hold it with your left and support his belly. It'll be much better for you.
And slimed.
Yeah? Yeah, I love it. Take a bunch for you. Nice! Coming. Right here. Yes! Nice job, brother. Got your pliers? Hold that up, brother. Nice fish. Beautiful color to it. It's like, it matches your overalls. Good job, brother. Woo! Big? Where do you want me? Here. Want me in front of you?
Oh, right beside
Okay,
you, right here.
okay. What's a nice one? Yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Yeah, took a bunch.
That's the big pike. That's the big gator. Just a nice gator there, boy.
What up, Chris?
Kindly to that.
Hold him out, toe. On the shallow rider. Suchy shot.
Shallow invader, shallow invader.
Shallow and big. I got him. I got him. Yeah, it looks like solid fish. Oh yeah. Nice one. Oh, get away from that rock. Oh, he's not hooked good. He is not hooked good. Yeah. In the basket. In the basket. Yep. Nice. Good job, brother. Nice, bro.
I just want to see if I can get him on something else.
I love doing that when it's hot. They're just biting everywhere. Start throwing lures I never threw before. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Right as you're talking how it's about to get good. Yeah.
Big fish. It's a big fish. Big fish, big head shakes.
Put her in the basket, Tor. Put her in the basket.
Head shakes. Oh yeah, it's a good one.
47.
It's high 40s right there, baby. That's a big fish. Oh, that's a big fish in him.
In the basket,
Ready?
baby.
Scooper.
Yeah!
Yes!
Woo!
Boom, baby!
Let's go! Nice fish, Tor. Uncle Ronnie.
47!
All right, talk to me.
Mucky, man!
Talk to me, Tor.
47, Mucky, let's go! Headshot. Ah, look at that.
Oh.
Big chomper.
Uncle Ronnie, what happened today?
You know, welcome to Tehran City Outdoors. You know how it goes, baby.
You killed it today, though, brother.
Just got him. You know what it is, baby.
Yeah. Woo! All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's episode. Today was an absolute banger of a show. Let me tell you guys, these muskies do not get old. I'm telling you, these are some of the most amazing fish to target. They are so ferocious, so aggressive. So grateful to have them in our waters. Today was an awesome day. Epic action. Tehran, good job, brother. Also, Josh, good job to you. Guys, you guys are awesome. Thank you for catching fish and making this video just the banger it was. Got down there. First 15 minutes, we caught a muskie. That's freaking awesome. I mean, for a fish of 10,000 casts, that took 15 minutes. I think I threw like 10 times. Awesome turnout. Ended up taking her to the rocks. Tehran caught 2 muskies, caught another pike. My other buddy caught a nice muskie as well. We ended up fishing all day. Just a beautiful day of fishing. So baits used today were pretty much everything. I've seen fish caught on Sabiles, fish caught on Shadzillas. Every bait worked today, guys. So the fish are starting to fire up. They're starting to really get going. They're feeding up on these shad. Guys, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. Please let me know what you thought about today's episode. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank everybody for their time. I want to thank everybody today that caught fish. And yeah. Water was gin clear out there today. You could see for miles. It was actually raining in the beginning, and then it panned out to be a very nice day. I'm very happy about that. So just want to say, guys, thank you for watching. Have a beautiful night.